Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives joins us now for a closer look at the market action. And what do you think? Here's some consolidation going on in the market?
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing the market trying to break out to new all-time highs here, certainly on the S&P, Dow fast approaching that as well. But the VIX is kind of not confirming yet, hanging in at higher levels. That's normally a sign there's some nervousness here and maybe some indecision. So I think we'll probably bleed out sideways here. The fact that earnings season over pretty much also lends credence to that thought as well.
You actually have your eyes on a trade that's connected to Russia. Tell us about that one.
Yeah, Yandex, which is a big kind of Russian internet company, normally doesn't see much call volume. Saw big time call volume yesterday. November 30 calls traded about 4,000 contracts versus about 0 open interest. So I'm following along with that. Yandex got hit on the Russian sanctions, starting to lift here. I think if it gets going, could be some more upside. Obviously, that big call buyer thinks so as well.
Fascinating trade there. So they're predicting that Yandex will move higher.
Yeah, absolutely. And kind of that big sell-off when it turns, this stock does tend to have kind of gappy openings given the fact it's Russian-based here.
You mentioned a turn. There was a turn in fortunes in Netflix this week already with trading. What's happening there?
Yeah, absolutely. Came right down to that 310 level, which was big time support, reversed course off of that a few days ago and rallied sharply. So I kind of like the fact that Netflix, which was down 25% from the highs, given that weak kind of subscriber growth, maybe has found a floor here. I'm selling out of the money put spreads, looking to be a buyer on further dips right around that 310 level. At least I know where to hang my hat if I'm wrong.
And then one final trade to get to, and that's Delta Airlines. So up or down on this one?
This one, I think someone's thinking it's going to take off here. We saw 12,000 of the October 60 calls trade. These are out of the money calls, again, versus very little open interest. So someone positioning for breakout stock, approaching a breakout level on the chart. So I'm following along with that as well, but buying the stock, overselling the call slightly on a 1 by a 1.5 basis. Still bullish, but looking to capture the fact that IV jumped when that call buyer jumped in as well.
Thank you for the trader.
You bet, anytime, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.